Quick steps for your G63 smart light sound machine. First, make sure you plugged the power cable. That charges the machine initially, and you will need it when you are wirelessly charging a phone. To turn on, the second button to the right with a rubber around it, press for 3 seconds. It turns it on. The default light will turn on with it, and then changing the light is easy. The button at the rightmost part of the machine, you just click it once to change colors or color mode. With the colors, they are much better looking at night when it's darker. You can leave the color on for a period of time, but not too long. It will turn off on its own if you leave it. And then at the back, you are able to add a headphone if you want. You can also add a memory card there, a micro SD card. If you have music in there, you can. And lastly, for this video alone, you are able to wirelessly charge your phone. As soon as you put the phone on the wireless pad, it will start charging and you will see the percentage.